Hello students, this is Sunita Nayak, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Bose Cuttack. Here I am going to teach you on topic steam generator, that is your subject, that is from your subject Thermal Engineering 2 of 4th sem Mechanical Engineering branch. So students, you have already studied in your third chapter about properties of steam, and in that you have already studied about how steam is formed and about its properties. So it is very important to know what is the equipment that is used to produce the steam, and this is the chapter where we are going to study about all these things about the equipment that is used to produce the steam. So let's start. First, let me introduce the contents that we are going to discuss. First, we will see about definition of boiler, then we will see important terms that are used in boiler, then we will go to your classification of boiler, then we will discuss boiler mounting and accessories, and then we will discuss about some important boilers, that is here I am focusing on Cochrane boiler and Babcock-Wilcox boiler. So first, definition. See, your boiler, this is, suppose a boiler is nothing but a closed vessel. See, in this figure you can see it is a closed vessel, and here the water is pumping from by the help of your pump, and it is pumped to your boiler, and see this blue color indicate that the water. Okay, then because of the burning of the fuel, the heat energy, by absorbing the heat energy emitted from the burning of fuel, the water is absorbing that heat energy, and by the help of that heat energy, water is converted to steam, and that steam is used in various purposes. And already you guys know that steam is used in various industrial purpose, that is you can use it in power plant. You can also, low pressure steam also can be used for food industry, textile industry and other purpose. So next we will see about some important terms. Before going to further detail in boiler, we should know the terms that are used in boiler. So here we will mainly focus on some terms, that is boiler cell, then combustion chamber, then your grate, furnace, heating surface, water space and steam space, mountings and accessories. See here, this is your boiler cell. So from this diagram you can see boiler cells are a cylindrical closed vessel, and usually these cylindrical vessels are made up of steel. Okay, and these steel plates are joined by the help of either you can weld it or by riveting. Okay, and within this cell your water and steam. Here you can see this is your cell, and this cell contains your water and steam. So you can say boiler, your cell is a cylindrical vessel where steam and water is contained. Then this is your combustion chamber. See, this is your cell, and below that cell your fuel is burnt, and because of this heat energy the steam is produced. So this chamber is your combustion chamber where the burning of fuel is used to produce steam. Then we will discuss about furnace. What is furnace? Furnace is also called your fireworks. See this diagram here, you can see this is your furnace where the burning of fuel actually carried out. Okay, so here you can see fuel where actually burning of fuel is carried out, that is your fireworks or furnace. Then we will see our grate. What you know, in boiler what we are doing, we are burning fuel. So where to keep that fuel? Then this is the platform where you are keeping your fuel. So grate is the platform where your fuel is burnt, and see this grate is made up of cast irons, and see here these are cast iron bars, and you can see the spaces between these bars. Why these spaces provided? These are provided in order to introduce the air, okay, for the burning of fuel. So this is all about your grate. Then we will see about mountings, and before mounting and accessories I want to tell you about the water space and steam space. See, in this diagram you can see your this part which is this part where the cell is covered by the water, that is your water space, and the space covered by the steam is your steam space. Okay, then what is heating surface? Then the heating surface is the part where this is here and here. You can see the parts where the fuel gases, or you can say hot gases, are exposed. That is your heating surface. Means जो surface गुड़ा करे तम मानकर fuel जो burning होची तारा part गुड़ा का expose होची, that are your heating surface. Then we will discuss on mounting and accessories. This is very important in terms of your boiler. This part is very important. You guys should focus on this. First I will discuss on mounting. See, mounting कौन? Mounting तो मैंने कही परियो the devices or equipments or fittings that are mounted on your boiler. जदि मो boiler ऊपर है किसी fittings mount करची, that is mounting, and these are used for your safety purpose. Okay, our boiler properly function करुची कि नहीं, और तार properly से safety safe रे से function करुची कि नहीं, that is carried out, that is ensured by this mounting. And you remember one thing, without mounting boiler can't function properly. Okay, then comes to your accessories. What is accessory? These are integral parts. Means what? These are not mounted on your boiler, rather they are added in your boiler in order to increase the efficiency of the boiler. जदि आमे boiler को आहुरी effective करवा को चाहूँचे और ताको controlled करवा को चाहूँचे, and we want to enhance the efficiency of boiler, then we can use your accessories. So here, without mounting your boiler can't function, but without accessories boiler can function. But जदि आमे तार efficiency को आहुरी भी भलो करवा को चाहूँचे, then we can go for accessories. And also we will discuss in this slide, we will more discuss about mountings and accessories. So let's go to, before that let's go to your classifications of boiler. Actually रे तम मानकर boiler बहुत type रो थाए, जेहेतु boiler रो features बहुत सारा अच्छी, तो सही थी पाएं तम मानकर first suppose I classified here based on तम मानकर boiler रो cell तम मानकर जो देखे लिए बे, जदि boiler रो cell रो axis ऊपर base करिकी हम मानकर usually 3 types रही परिवा. What are those? Horizontal, vertical and inclined. तम मानकर boiler cell केमिति अच्छी केमिति place अच्छी depending on that. Then depending on its use, माने boiler तम माने कोठी use करछो, it can be stationary, can be portable and also can be marine. Marine means जो गुड़ा का ship रे तम माने जो boiler use करछो, those are. Then one most important your classification, that is depending on your content of that is your content in your tube, that is it can be flue gases, it can be water, and depending on that it is water type and fire tube. See here, this is your water tube boiler and this is your fire tube boiler. See, one main difference is water tube means what? Within the tube water flows. See, these are the tubes, and through this tube water flow occur, and these tubes are surrounded by your flue gases. But the opposite of this means what? If in the tubes your flue gases passed and water surrounded these tubes, then that is your fire tube boiler. Then again depending on number of tubes, आमे boiler रे जो tubes use करूचे सेटा केते type माने केते number रहइबो. जदि गोटे थिबो then single type, जदि multiple number रे थिबो more than one रहला then multiple tube. Similarly जदि हमर furnace तो माने जोठी देखिलो कि actually जोठी burning occur होउची boiler रे, जदि से furnace टा cell भीतर रहला, then depending on the position of furnace it is two type. First is internally fired and externally fired. Internally fired means boiler cell भीतर है जदि तम मानकर furnace रहला, then it is internally fired. और जदि boiler cell बाहर है जदि furnace टा position रहला, then that is externally fired. Similarly pressure ऊपर depend करे कि how much pressure is produced by the at what pressure boiler is working. से हिसाब रे तम मानकर लो प्रेशर और हाई प्रेशर रही परिबो. लो प्रेशर यूजुअली जदि 80 बार रु तम मानकर प्रेशर कम जनरेट हुए तम मानकर then that is low pressure, and if the steam generation is at above 80 bar, then that is high pressure. Then we will I have told you I will discuss on boiler mountings. So here we will mainly focus on functions of boiler mountings. See, but these are different types of boiler mountings, that is water level indicator, pressure gauge, safety valve, fusible plug, steam stop valve, blow off cock valve, feed check valve and manhole. See one by one. See first your water level indicator. Its name itself indicate water level indicator means what? It indicate the water level of your boiler. See from this diagram you can see this is a glass tube and the water level you can easily visualize this water level in your water level indicator, and it is usually placed in front of the boiler because it will be easy for the operator to visualize that. Okay, and it is very important to check the water level because see तुम मानकर बॉयलर रे गोटे वाटर लेवल सेफ लिमिट रे रहिबाटा बहुत जरूरी कौन पाई जदि इन केस वाटर लेवलटा डिक्रीज कला देन व्हाट हैपन तुम मानकर बॉयलर रे ओवर हीटिंग हेबा स्टार्ट हो जिवो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ओवर हीटिंग एक्सप्लोजन हेबार भी चांसेस अछि. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड दिस थिंग्स वाटर लेवल इंडिकेटर इज वेरी यूजफुल व्हिच हेल्प्स टू इंडिकेट द लेवल ऑफ वाटर इन बॉयलर. And normally 2 number of water level indicators are placed and they are fitted in front of the boiler so that it will be easy for the observer to visualize that. Then your pressure gauge helps to measure your steam pressure. It is also very important and usually तम मानकर Bourdon tube pressure gauge you have already studied about that. Bourdon tube pressure gauge ही तम मानकर usually boiler रे use करा हुए और तम मानकर at least गोटे boiler गोटे pressure gauge should be fitted in your boiler and usually एटा भी front रे ही तम मानकर top of boiler cell रे ही placed करा होता है so that it will be easy for the operator to visualize to check that level. Then safety valve कौन करे इट प्रिवेंट द एक्सप्लोजन ड्यू टू एक्सेसिव प्रेशर. जमती मु तुम जस्ट कहली इन केस जदि तुम मानकर बॉयलर रे वर्किंग प्रेशरटा जो प्रेशर अच्छी सेटा जदि एक्सेसिव हो जाए देन वर्किंग प्रेशर जदि प्रेशर डेवलप हो गला इन एनी केस तुम मानकर वर्किंग प्रेशर जदि अधिक हो गला देन कौन हम तुम मानकर बॉयलर रा बस्टिंग और यू कैन से एक्सप्लोजन हेबार चांसेस थाए. सो टू प्रिवेंट दैट सेफ्टी valves are used and there are usually four types of safety valves used: deadweight type, lever type and spring loaded type and high water and low high steam and low water level type. So here usually boiler must be fitted with at least 2 safety valves. If one failure then other one will work. Similarly safety valves are usually located above the steam space in the boiler. Then we will go to fusible plug. This is very important because see I have already told you जदि तुम मानकर in case जदि safety level रू water level टा गोटे safety level रू खसी आसिला then कौन हबो ए केस रे तुम माने देखो एटा तुम मानकर usually fusible plug तुम मानकर फर्नेस उपरे और एल्स कंबसन चैम्बर उपरे प्लेस होता है सो दैट सेटा सब बेले तुम मानकर वाटर लेवल रे ही सबमर्ज होगी थाए. बट इन एनी केस तुम मानकर जदि वाटर लेवल टा डिक्रीज करिगला गोटे सेफ्टी लिमिट रू ताहले कोन हबो पूरा स्पेस टा स्टीम रे फुलफिल हो जिवो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओवरहीट क्रिएट हबो आ ओवरहीटिंग रा तुम मानकर एक्सप्लोजन हेबार चांसेस थाए. तो सेटा को कोन करे फ्यूजिबल प्लग तुम मान को हेल्प करे टू इन ऑर्डर टू it helps to prevent the damage because of the overheating. See here this part, this C part you can see here because of the temperature, high temperature this part is melted and by that it put off the fire that is in your furnace. It put off the fire in furnace and thereby it overcome the damage that is occurring because of overheating. Then steam stop valve तुम मानकर कौन करे रेगुलेट करे स्टीम रा सप्लाई को फ्रॉम द बॉयलर सेल टू योर स्टीम लाइन और यू कैन से स्टीम पाइप. आमे केते अमाउंट रे सेंड करबा केते प्रेशर रे सेंड करबा इट रेगुलेट दैट थिंग एंड आल्सो तुम मानकर इन केस जदि स्टीम पाइप रे किछि काम चलची स्टीम लाइन रे और एल्स तुम मानकर जदि स्टीम रा किछि रिक्वायरमेंट नाही एट दैट टाइम देन यू कैन आल्सो स्टॉप दैट valve and by that you can stop your steam supply also. So steam stop valve helps to regulate or stop the steam supply and usually it is mounted over the boiler drum. Then we will go to your blow off cock valve. What तुम मैंने देखियो बॉयलर रे जेहेतु आमे वाटर जेतेबेले सेंड करछे वाटर रे तुम मानकर बहुत से इम्प्यूरिटीज सेडमेंट्स एंड आल्सो स्लजेस थाए तो सेटा यूजुअली तुम मानकर बॉयलर ड्रम रा तळ पार्ट रे आसी डिपॉजिट हो जाए. देन हाउ टू रिमूव दिस थिंग्स. दिस valve helps to remove those particles and also तुम मानकर सपोज बॉयलर रे किछि रिपेयरिंग करियार अछि इंस्पेक्शन करियार अछि किछि काम करियार अछि देन एट दैट टाइम पूरा बॉयलर सेल रु वाटर को रिमूव करने पे in order to empty that boiler cell you can also use this valve, and usually it is fitted at the lowest part of your water space in the boiler cell. Then your feed check valve कौन पे यूज करा हुए देख तुम मनकर बॉयलर टा गोटे सर्टेन प्रेशर मेंटेन हुए गोटे हाई टेम्परेचर हाई प्रेशर इट इज मेंटेन. सो हाउ टू ब्रिंग दैट टेम्परेचर हाउ टू ब्रिंग दैट प्रेशर इट तुम मनकर यूजुअली फीड पंप थ्रू रु से वाटर को पंपिंग करा है कि सेठी जीव तो यही भाल्वटा हेल्प करे तुम मनकर कौन करने वाटर को सप्लाई करने टू द बॉयलर फ्रॉम द फीड पंप. एंड तुम मनकर इन एनी केस जदि भी पंप रो फेल्योर जो पंप रे इन एनी केस तुम देख ये जदि पंप रो फेल्योर है आ प्रेशरटा ये डिक्रीज करगला ताहले कौन हम जेहेतु वाटर स्पेसटा हाई प्रेशर रे अच्छी तुम मनकर एमती चांस भी थी कि हाई प्रेशर वाटरटा लो प्रेशर को आसबार आ बिकॉज दिस the feed check valve is a non-return type valve. It doesn't allow the backflow of the water. That means the water can't be flow back. Okay, so this valve is a non-return type valve, and it control the supply of feed water to your boiler. देन मैनहोल कौन पे थाए तुम मैंने यूजुअली देखियो बॉयलर आम जो इंस्पेक्शन करुचे रिपेयरिंग करुचे और एल्स क्लीनिंग पर्पस रे आम मानकर ता भीतर को केमी जीवा बॉयलर भीतर को फॉर दैट डोर्स आर प्रोवाइडेड. ओके सी हियर दिस पर्सन doors are provided, and this is called manhole through which a operator can enter into the boiler, and by that he can repair. Then we go to boiler accessories. There are various types of boiler accessories. Here we will focus on 4 important type of accessories, that is economizer, superheater, air preheater and feed pump. See, this is the layout of your accessories. See, first तुम मानकु we will start from economizer. Okay, economizer रे कौन हुए तुम मानकर देख तुम मैंने जब नॉर्मली वाटर पंपिंग करके बॉयलर को दौच देन इट विल बी अराउंड योर 40 to 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर ही मेंटेन हम. सो तुम मानकर यू हैव टू बर्न ए लॉट ऑफ फ्यूएल इन ऑर्डर टू कन्वर्ट दैट वाटर टू स्टीम. बट तुम मैंने के भाविच जदि मुझे वाटर को ताको गरम करके प्रीहीट करके सेंड कली बॉयलर को ताहले मते कौन करा पड़ो कम फ्यूएल रे भी अधिक हीट मु देई पारि कम फ्यूएल सप्लाई रे भी मु कौन करि पारिबी से वाटर टा को स्टीम को कन्वर्ट करि पारिबी. एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस तुम मानकर इकोनोमाइजर यूज करा हुए. देखो इकोनोमाइजर रे कौन करा हुए तुम मानकर जते बेले वाटर एंट्री करूची बॉयलर को सेंड करिया पूर्वरु सेथिरे कौन करा हुए हीटेड करा हुए वाटर को केमिति करा हुए. सी दीज आर ट्यूब्स थ्रू व्हिच वाटर इज फ्लो, एंड व्हेन फ्लू gases means hot gases because and that are generated from the burning of fuel. जो गुडा का फ्लू gases जते आदे के पास करिवो से कौन हबो the water absorbed that heat from the flue gases, and thereby it is preheated, and thereby it increase the boiler efficiency. How it is increase boiler efficiency? Because here you have to supply lower amount of heat in order to convert that water to steam, and also it consume less fuel, so it increase the boiler efficiency. एंड यूजुअली तुम मैंने ये फिगर देखले जानी पारिबो इकोनोमाइजर कोठी प्लेस होला बॉयलर एंड एयर प्रीहीटर भीतर. ओके, तो ये भी देखो फीड पंप थ्रू रे पंपिंग करा है कि इकोनोमाइजर को सेंड करा हला, एंड देन वाटर इज सेंड टू योर बॉयलर. तापर हमर आसिला सुपर हीटर कौन पे यूज करा हुए देखो तुम मानकर बॉयलर रे यूजुअली जो स्टीम प्रोड्यूस है सेटा वेट स्टीम प्रोड्यूस है, मींस इट हैज सम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट आल्सो. तो आमको जदि टेम्परेचर बढ़ेबार अच्छे एंड वी वांट टू प्रोड्यूस सुपर हीटेड स्टीम, देन देयर प्लेज द रोल सुपर हीटर भी कौन करा हुए यूजुअली तुम मानकर एठी देखो सुपर हीटर यूजुअली तुम मानकर जते फ्लू गैसेसटा पास करके जाउची बॉयलर रु सेते बेले कौन करा हुए सुपर हीटर प्लेस करा हुए. सुपर हीटर इज आल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ हीट एक्सचेंजर. इट एब्जॉर्ब द हीट ऑफ द फ्लू गैसेस एंड thereby convert the wet steam to superheated steam, and thereby it also increase the boiler efficiency. Then we will see air preheater. तो मैंने इकोनोमाइजर जमती देखिला फंक्शन करची एयर प्रीहीटर भी सेमिति करे, बट एयर प्रीहीटर एठी इंस्टेड ऑफ वाटर एठी कौन करची से एयर को गरम करची. माने आमे बॉयलर रे सेंड करया पूर्वरु एठी कौन करा हुए बॉयलर को आमे एयर सेंड करया पूर्वरु एठी तम मानकर कौन हुए एयर प्रीहीटर रे एयर टा को गरम करा हुए सो दैट इट इंक्रीज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द बॉयलर कौन पे केमिति एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज करबो यूजुअली तुम मानकर जदि इन केस फ्यूएल रो क्वालिटी कम अच्छी सपोज मु जो कोल प्रोवाइड कली से कोल रो क्वालिटी कम अच्छी मॉइस्चर कंटेंट रहला देन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रीहीटेड एयर तुम मानकर कौन हबो बर्निंग टा बेसी बेटर वे रे हबो हैला तो हमर जदि डायग्राम हम भी देखिबा देख एठी जतले फ्यू गैसेस टा पास करूची एयर टा तमनकर चिमनी देकी जतबे आसुची से कोन करबो एयर प्रीहीटर रे फ्यू गैसेस थ्रू हीट अब्जॉर्ब करबो एंड thereby it is heated and because of this air preheater the heat of your air is increased and this preheated air is supplied to your boiler and see here the path of gas it is passed from boiler to superheater and superheater to economizer and then to your air preheater and from there to chimney. Okay, then we will discuss on feed pump. Feed pump tamanakar already I have told you ki boiler is maintained at certain high pressure. So how to maintain that pressure? This feed pump help to maintain the boiler, help to feed the water at a higher pressure to your boiler. So feed pump helps to feed water to boiler at a higher pressure and usually तुम मानकर double acting reciprocating pump use करा हुए even तुम मानकर rotary type pump centrifugal type pump भी use करा ही पारिबो. So in this class up to this we have covered a lot of things about boiler. See your boiler mounting and accessories that are very important terms that are very important topics also and even in interview also you can face this type of questions based on this mounting and accessories. So you guys should focus on the mounting and accessories that I have taught you in this slide. So first your mountings are without mounting your boiler can function but with tamanakara similarly and it helps to operate the boiler in a safety manner and also for proper functioning of the boiler your mounting is very essential. So you can say your essential components are your mounting. These are fitted on your boiler. Similarly accessories बिना रे भी तम मानकर boiler काम करि परिबो but तम मानकर जदि boiler रा efficiency को increase करिवार अछि then we have to provide accessories in order to make sure that boiler is running and controlling in an efficient and effective manner. So in accessories you have already go through superheater, air preheater, economizer and feed pump and you have studied about these things. So and also in mountings you have seen your water level indicator, pressure gauge, blow off cock valve, steam stop valve, feed check valve and your manhole. So these things are very important and whenever we will discuss on your boilers that helps us to make it easy to understand. So here I am going to show you your assignments. You guys should focus on that. Assignment here I have given some questions that is define boiler and classify it and then what are important terms used in your boiler, then differentiate between boiler mounting and accessories. I have told you this is very important. Similarly explain in brief about the functions of your mountings and accessories. Thank you. And if you have any queries, any doubts regarding this session, then you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me. Thank you for watching me.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजना रे सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणारे जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा